The delicious cheese, the crispy base, delightful toppings, mouth-watering seasonings. These are just some of the ingredients that make a Domino's pizza. But our main ingredient is our heritage. Our 50 years of perfecting the art of making amazing pizzas and serving customers. So, whenever a customer bites into a slice of Domino's pizza, he actually takes a short trip down our history. Today, as we open our 9,000th store globally, let us too make the journey back from our humble beginnings to becoming the world's favorite pizza. It was in the year 1960 when the fresh out of college Tom Monahan and his brother James purchased Dominos, a pizza store in Ypsilanti with borrowed money. In 1961, James sells his half of the business to Tom for a Volkswagen Beetle. In 1967, Tom names the business Domino's Pizza and expands the Domino's Pizza store network, inspired by the success of the initial stores. Tom decided that appointing franchisees was the route to take Domino's Pizza to a wider audience. And this started a new chapter in the history of Domino's. Thanks to our great tasting pizzas delivered piping hot, we grew very fast and became a household name in America. This was when the inevitable question crossed Tom's mind. What next?
So we have to plant the seeds overseas now, so that when that day comes, maybe 5-6 years down the road, that we can't grow at 50% a year anymore here.
Inspired by our successes in America, Canada, South America, Europe, Australia, and Japan, we decided to enter the Indian market. In January 1996, we opened our first Indian outlet at GK1, New Delhi. Because of our catchy Hungry Kya advertising campaign, the 30 minutes of free promise, and of course, our great tasting pizzas, the popularity of Domino's in India soared. Our customers seemed to be so hungry for our pizzas that we were compelled to quickly open more outlets, not just in the metros, but also in smaller towns. And now, our Khushiyon Ki home delivery proposition has won the hearts of customers and has made Domino's stand for something beyond food. We are now about happiness and celebration. We share a strong emotional bond with our customers. Today, Domino's Pizza in India is the market leader in the pizza category with a market share of 65% in the organized home delivery market, and with a rapid year-on-year growth, we are poised for greater heights. From our first store in New Delhi, we have grown into being the largest food service company in India in terms of number of stores, with a presence in more than 70 cities across the length and breadth of India in just 12 years. A thumbs up to our brilliant team of highly motivated people who have made it happen. At Domino's, we've been saying that happiness is meant to be shared. We mean it. And today, as we complete our 50 years, we are gearing up for another milestone, the grand opening of our 300th store in India and 9,000th globally. But we see this milestone as the beginning of a new journey. A journey not just into new locations the world over, but also into the hearts of even more people. Domino's, Khushiyon Ki home delivery.